tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over facts.
Yes, pwede bang marinig ko yung hilaw ng mga estudyante from Tandang Sora? How about you, Maria Clara? Natin kilala. Again, it must be stranger. Dapat hindi mo siya classmate. Okay? Kasi i-check natin yan. I-check natin yan. Kapag ako yan, nakita ko si Juniel, tapos may si John McLean. Hi! Patingin ako na sa'yo. Sino to? 1-1, group 1. O, wait lang ha. Ano kayo? O, sige, kayo po. Ano group kayo? Mga Tandang Sora to eh. Kami sila. Tas 1, 2, 3, 4. Kapit, piral ako kayo. Umamin, sila yung number 1. Hindi, okay na yan. Okay lang daw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Six sila. Why? Kulang na. Group number yung labas lang ng envelope. Labas ng group number. Okay na? Wala ka naririnig? Hindi ko kayo sinabi sumigaw yung kanila. Konti na lang kakain tayo ng bonggang-bongga. Okay? I-reserve nyo yan. Sabi nga eh, the best is yet to come. Okay? So, I want you to participate with me. Okay? Meron po ako sasabihin sa inyo before I give the message. Lahat tayo. Meron akong question but I want you to do not tell to me the answer. Okay? Ready na po? Okay. Lahat tayo, viewers, even you. Okay. This is my question. I want you to think of a number between 1 to 10. Isip lang ha, huwag yung sabi sa akin, kung napili ko 8, ikaw. Huwag gano'n ha. Ikaw lang sa sarili mo, kausapin mo yung sarili mo. Think of a number now. Hindi namin kayo magagalitan, hindi namin kayo husgahan. Andito po kami para pakinggan kayo. Minsan po, mga magulang natin, hindi tayo pinapakinggan, mga kapatid natin, hindi natin makasundo. Pero isang assurance lang po sasabihin namin, nandito ang FCC family together with our pastors, and we want to hear, we want to listen from you, and we want to know you. And this is be real, be you, and be free. Let's start. What's inside their heart. But tonight, ito yung alam namin that God brings us here, me, the Women's Net, and Pastor Jadel, to guide all of you to become yourself, to show your real you, to become genuine, and most of all, to become free. Alam nyo, sa isang box or sa isang treasure, you cannot get that treasure without opening first the lock. Bagay, sige po, taas ang kamay, be honest. Be yourself. Sino rito yung nape-pressure? Pressure ka sa mga nangyayari sa inyo? Okay, sige, baba na yung kamay. Tingin kayo sa akin. Maraming
Again, let's start again. Game na to! Game ka na ba? Game na! Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Tao, bahay, bagyo, tao, bahay, bagyo, tao, bahay, bagyo! Bahay! 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 Okay, practice lang yun. Sige, practice lang yun. Kasi may hindi nakagets eh. May sige, okay lang yun. Practice lang. Ibig sabihin, kung sino yung nasa, kunwari kami ni Shane, kami ang sa bahay. Kunwari kami ang sa bahay. Okay, ang tao bahay, bagyo, tao bahay, bagyo, bahay. Hindi kami mag-iwalay. Hanap na kami ng tao. Kami pa rin ang mag-partner. Pero pag sinabi ko, or ni Ate Grace na bagyo, hiwalay na kami, hanap pa kayo ba? So, bagyo lang kayo magkakagulo. Gets. Nakahanap na siya. Alice! Sabi ko, bakit siya umalis? Tao siya namin yung bayo, Alice. Sabi sa akin, tuloy eh. Pagka kunwari, makinig. Pag po kunwari bahay, and sino po nga alis? Yung bahay po nga alis. So, ibig sabihin po yung tao, sila po yung... God, Cindy. Okay, game. Game. 1, 2, 3, go. Tao, bahay, bagyo, tao, bahay, bagyo, tao, bahay, bagyo! Bagyo! Okay, stop. Ito na. Okay, sige. Di ba sila hindi nakagaw? Ay, hindi kasi even number. Ay, hindi odd number. Talagang may matatanggal. Sino yung walang grupo? Dapat pero tatlo kayo. Okay lang yan. May isa lang na matatanggal kasi apat sila din.